listen me first. मीन क्या होता है? हाँ,
Sum observation upon total number observation.
मीन is equal to sum of observations, sum of observations, observations upon number of observations, number of
Observations.
number of observations, number of observations, right? So we can say that x bar is equal to a1 plus a2 plus a3 up to an upon n, right? If we add subtract multiply or divide each observation with same number, right? So it becomes x bar dash is equal to a a1 plus a1 plus b plus a2 plus b plus a3 plus b up to an plus b upon n. This is the condition. If you take out from there, so what happens? X bar is equal to a1, sorry, a1 x bar dash is equal to a1 plus a2 plus a3 up to an, right, plus n into b, either b upon n, this n cancel out and this becomes what? This x bar. So x bar dash is equal to x bar plus b. So if in every observation you add the same number, then in mean the same number will be added, right? Similarly, if you subtract if subtract then x bar is equal to x bar dash is equal to x minus b, or multiplication x dash into x bar, अरे यार sorry, it should be x bar minus b, x bar plus b, here I have multiplied to x bar into b, or if divide then x bar divided by b. इन सब केस में dr is equal to x bar dash, that is x bar dash. You get this? Do you understand me? कि if same number we are adding, subtracting with all observation, then it will added in mean also. ठीक है ना? तो जरूरी नहीं है कि आप कैलकुलेशन करो पूरा. अगर आपको ये दिख रहा है कि आपसे कहा गया कि in every observation there are 10 observation and its mean is 5, and in all observation 2 is added, it means you can directly add 2 in the mean and it becomes जो इसका new mean होगा that will be 7, right? So directly we can do that. No need to do this like that. By this method we can get the things done. You want to ask? Okay. You understand this mean?
Yes, sir.
Huh? You written this?
Yes, sir.
X bar dash is equal to x bar plus b. Yeah. So what is your question now? What is your question? अबे मीडियन अभी जब तक मीन के क्वेश्चन करो फिर मीडियन बताओ.
Question
हाँ?
number 4. Heat.
हाँ.
मीन के 6 क्वेश्चन चलिए पूछिए.
मीन का 10th क्वेश्चन. क्या?
Question number 4. Heat energy supply.
क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. हाँ. What is?
Heat energy supply at constant rate.
Heat energy with constant rate. Huh? How much?
To 400 gram of ice.
Heat energy with constant rate supplied to
400 gram of ice
400 gram of ice
at 0 degree.
at 0 degree Celsius.
The ice is converted into water
Huh?
at 0 degree Celsius in 5 minutes.
And this 0 degree ice converts into 0 degree water in
5 minutes.
5 minutes. In 5 minutes.
How much time will be required to raise the temperature of water from 0 degree Celsius to 100 degree Celsius?
At a constant rate in 5 minutes. So power is what? Power is equal to Q upon T. So Q is equal to M into L upon T is 5 minutes. मतलब 5 into 60 becomes 300 seconds. Right? So M कितना है? 400 gram into latent heat of fusion of ice is 336 joule upon 300. Right? Is it?
Yes.
So 3 and 3 cancel. This is 112. So it is 448 watt. इतनी एनर्जी कॉन्स्टेंटली सप्लाई हो रही है. राइट? अब P into T is equal to Q and Q is equal to M into C into delta T. So that is T is equal to M is 400 into 4.2 into 100 upon power is 448. Right? This much. This is the constant power. Constant power supply. Supply. Right? So how you will solve this? You remove one decimal from here, one from here. So this 0 and this 0 is cancel out. So this is how much? 100 and this is 112. Where it is 56. This is 21. So it is how much? 2000 upon 56 seconds. Minutes. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. So 1 second is equal to 1 upon 60. Here will be 60. Is it? Huh? It becomes 2000 upon 56 into 60 minute. So कितना आएगा? $3,360. कितना कितने मिनट हुआ था? हमें आंसर कितना आ रहा है?
6.25.
200 divided by
15 seconds.
336. ये तो बहुत कम हो गया. क्या आ रहा है?
6 minutes 15 seconds.
ओह ओह, ये 448 वॉट सही है पावर. How much power is there?
So इसमें पावर से लिखी है मैंने इक्वेशन इक्वेट करके. थर्टीन लाख 4,400
क्या?
पावर. 400 into 336.
400 into 336 अपॉन 300 भी तो होगा.
Q is equal to ml किया.
नहीं, कांस्टेंट पावर सप्लाई हो रही है ना, तो पावर भी तो हमको निकालनी है ना. पावर कितने सेकंड के लिए चल रही थी?
5
हाँ,
5 minutes.
हाँ लिखा है मैंने. हीट एनर्जी कांस्टेंट रेट सप्लाइड टू 40 ग्राम एट इन 5 मिनट्स. 5 मिनट्स को जब हम सेकंड में लाएंगे तो 300 सेकंड्स हो जाएगा. हाँ, अब 300 सेकंड्स को हमने कितने वॉट हो गया? Oh shit. Oh shit.
So वो into करके
No, no, no,
इसके
no.
बाद
This is
times.
21. It is 21,000. It is 21,000 upon 21,000 upon 56 into 60. Right. So it is 21,000 divided by 3,360. Right. When you divide this, then how much you will get? 2,100 divided by 336. It is 6.25. 6 minutes 25 seconds. Is it? So more calculation mistake here. It's very complicated, na? So that's why this one is not. When we cut it, we get 21. This 21 into 100 into 10 becomes 21,000, and it is 56,000, and it becomes now in minute. It is in minutes. So we get minute here. So it is 6.25 minutes. Right? This is what we have done. वो इसलिए मिस्टेक हो गई थी, वो मैंने वहाँ पे 2 देखा था, 1 was not able to see, so that's why I have taken 2,000, but it will be 21,000. Right? Do you understand? My logic is that first we have taken power. We find out the power. So power is 448 watt. अब ये कांस्टेंट पावर सप्लाई हो रही है, तो P into T is equal to M into C into delta T. से we have solved this and we get कि 6 minute and 25 seconds में 6.25 minutes में 0 degree water comes into 100 degree Celsius of water. Right? So in 6.25 minutes, water at 0 degree Celsius reaches to water at 100 degree Celsius. You get this? Okay. Done?
Yes.
Next. Should I rub?
Yes.
Hmm. Right. To me now. Now what we talk about? Median. Right? Median. Median is what? Median. If first form array. Form array means
Descending order.
arrange in order. Arrange in order. Right. Second, if n is equal to odd number, then median is equal to n plus 1 by tooth observation. Just as I am writing, you have to write it in the same manner. ठीक है?
Reflection through lens के लिए बस
सब होगा इसके?
first exercise.
You do the second? This is quite difficult. You know, this is going to be cause troublesome to you. बाकी remaining तो आप कर लोगे आसानी से. And if n is equal to even number, then median is equal to n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation by 2. ठीक है? This is when even. Do you get? Order, then we go like this, and even, and then we will go like this. And what is mode?
So
Mode is an observation. An observation repeat itself maximum number of times an observation repeat itself maximum number of times in given set of data. Getting? That is mode. And empirical relationship empirical relation is equal to 3 median is equal to 2 mean plus mode. 3 median is equal to 2 mean plus mode. Getting? You get this?
तो मीन वेरिएट निकालने का मेरा फॉर्मूला होता है।
क्या मीन वेरिएट निकालना है?
सर वो क्वेश्चन था कि फाइंड द मीन फाइंड द
मीन का पूछ रहा है ना, ये मोड बता रहा हूँ मैं।
वो पूछ रहा था अलग मीन वेरिएट।
मीन वेरिएट निकालने के लिए वो एक अलग क्वेश्चन टाइप इज गिवन यू ना।
यस सर। फाइंड द मीन ऑफ एट्थ वेरिएट इज 10.5।
हाँ।
सेवन ऑफ देम से डाटा दिया गया है। फाइंड द एट्थ वेरिएट।
अच्छा, व्हाट इज योर डेटा?
सर डेटा है 3, 15, 7, 19, 2, 17, 8।
हाँ
3,
हाँ
15,
हाँ
7,
हाँ
19,
हम्म
2,
हम्म
17 और 8।
क्वेश्चन नंबर
10।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 क्या?
Mean of 8 variates is 10.5.
मीन of 8 variate
10.
is
10.5.
10.5, right?
If 7 of them are 3,
7 of them 7 of them are
3,
3,
15,
15,
7,
7,
19,
19,
2,
2,
17,
17,
8.
हाँ
8.
8,
Then find the 8th variate.
ठीक है। तो let eighth variate let eighth variate be x, right? So mean is equal to sum of observation upon number of observation. अब mean is
8.
10.5 and sum is 8. This is 15 plus 3 becomes 18. 18 or 2 becomes 20. 7 or 8 becomes 35. 35 or 35 or sorry, 7 plus 8 becomes 15, right? So this is what 20 plus 15 becomes 35. 35 plus 19 54 plus 17 71.
Plus 8 भी है ना सर लास्ट में।
वो ऑलरेडी एडेड ना, 7 plus 80 तो 15 हुआ ना, ठीक है ना? तो इज 71। सो ये हो गया 71 प्लस x अपॉन 8। वी क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाइड इट तो कितना हुआ? 5 times 8 becomes 40, 0 4, 8 1 time 8 becomes 8, minus 71 is equal to x. How much it is? It is 13 is equal to x. So here we get what is your answer? Eighth variate is 13. You get this?
Yes, sir.
This is the way how to solve. What do you want? You have 3 exercise in that.
So 2.
Acha. So out of those 2, 1 you have done all examples. And in second exercise, what do you want to ask? I hope there are 3. 10th question you want to ask. Okay. You done this?
Yes, sir.
So this is how this type of question will definitely come in your exams. You must prepare yourself and understand the things how to solve this. Right? What next we have? You do the
Yes,
questions.
sir.
How many questions you have done? From mean.
Mean. 6.
Come to median. To
Median.
yeah.
I have done one question from median to each second one.
Do it. And check the answer from the back. What is your question?
A cube of
Question
ice.
number?
10.
Huh?
10.
10. Question number 10. What is that?
A cube of ice
A cube of ice. Okay, this is the cube of ice we have.
of mass 30 gram.
This is cube of ice. Cube of ice.
Of mass 30 gram.
Huh?
Of mass 30 gram.
Huh?
At 0 degrees Celsius added into
क्या? This is cube of ice. And mass is?
30 gram.
Mass is? Mass is 30 gram. Then
Added
at 0 degree Celsius.
this
Right? This is ice cube. Then
add at 200 gram of water at 30 degrees Celsius.
it is added.
Yes.
It added to water how much?
200 gram of at
200 gram of water
at 30 degrees Celsius.
at 30 degrees Celsius. Right? So,
Okay. Calculate the final temperature of water when whole of the ice cube has melted.
Okay. So, find the temperature of mixture. Find temperature of mixture. Right? So this ice converts from 0 degree ice to 0 degree water. 0 degree water. And then it comes to water at 10 degrees Celsius. Right? Sorry, at T degrees Celsius. And this water comes to T degrees Celsius. Right? So heat absorbed by ice, absorbed by ice is equal to heat released by water. So heat absorbed by ice is QML plus M into C into T minus 0 is equal to heat released by water, that is M into C into 30 degree na 30 minus T, right? So this is how much? 30 na 30 into 300, 336 joule per gram na, plus 30 into 4.2 into T is equal to water is 200 gram.
सर
हाँ,
इसमें give specific heat of ice 80 Kelvin.
कोई बात नहीं. 200 when you convert in joule that comes same value. 200 into C is 4.2 into 30 minus T, right? So this will be how much? 0. 6 times 3 becomes 18. We get 1. 3 times 3 1 9 and 10 0. 1. 3 times 3 1. 3 times 3 becomes 9. 1 10. 10,080 plus 126T is equal to right. So it is 20 into 42 into 30. 20 into 42 into 30. 25,200 joule is equal to 25,200 joule minus 42 joule, 42 T, right? Now you bring this here, so 126 T minus 42 T is equal to 25,200 minus 10 lakh 80,000, right? So how much it will be? 126 minus 42, 84T. This becomes 84T, and 25,200 minus 10,800, 14,400, 14,400. Is this correct? How much temperature is there? Hmm?
15.65 degrees Celsius.
Actually, 336 joule. 4.2 into T. Mass is 200 gram. 4.2 Oh shit. Shit. I made a silly mistake. This is how much? 20 into 42, 840. Right, this 840 multiplied by 30, 25,200, right? And 840 multiplied by t becomes 840t. 800 840t, right? So what you do, you bring this 842 here, 840t here, it is plus, and this is like this. So when you add it, plus 126 it comes 966, it comes 966t. So now t becomes 14,400 divided by 966, right? So it becomes 14,400 divided by 966. It is 14.90.
15.65.
15.65. What is the specific heat capacity? वो latent heat of fusion क्या है?
80 Kelvin. 80 Kelvin. Ground.
अबे 80 into 4.2 336 जूल ही आता है, तो उसकी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, वो ठीक है. So I made a mistake. This whole will be 840 will be multiplied by 30, and it is multiplied by t also. Then this goes on the other side. It becomes 6426 and 966 is equal to 14,400. 14,400 is divided by 14,400. It is correct. Oh. एक मिनट. 25,200 minus 10,080. It is 15,120. It is, sorry, it will come 15,120. 15,120, and when it comes 15,120, when you divide this by, when you divide it by 966, it is 15.65 degrees Celsius. So it becomes, so T is equal to 15.65 degrees Celsius. This will be the temperature. All calculation mistakes are there. Logic was correct, right? Silly calculation mistakes were there. When we subtract this, we get 15,120. I have taken 14,400, and when I multiplied this whole is as a 800, and this whole is, when you multiply, when you solve this as a whole, you get 840. Then 840 will be multiplied by 30, and 840 will multiplied by t. So you get this much. And when you subtract this, then you get this much. Right? By what mistake I made. I get that. So this is the mistakes we have done. Anyway, the logic is same. How much 0 degree ice will convert into 0 degree water and then water at 3 degrees Celsius. So we will take here ml into m into c into delta t, and here m into c into delta t. 30 t, and let the temperature of mixture be T. Let 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 temperature let temperature of mixture be T degrees Celsius. You get it?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
This much you've done. What you are doing?